dear students! Today we are going to talk about Summer Fest and some steps that we have in there. For example, comedy play, rock concert, water slide. So, to know what the teacher is saying, you are going to watch a video first where I explain to you the vocabulary, and then I'm going to explain to you this.
Money matters. Money. Rock concert. Summer. Fest. Piggy bank. Comedy play. Water slide. Actions. Need. Have the necessity of something. Example. You need to save money. Marcos need to save money. Want. Feel that you would like to have. Example. I want to have a dog. Susie wants to have a dog.
So, after watching the video, I'm going to explain to you this. We have the grammar bridge, okay? It says want. We are going to talk about these two verbs. They are the main ones in this topic, need and want. If you take a look, need have the necessity of something. For example, we need to stay at home, right? In order to not to catch this disease as a coronavirus or coronavirus, right? In here, want. Feel that you would like to have something. For example, I want to have an iPod. I want to have an iPhone. Okay? Something that you want to have. In here you have the explanation a little bit. Then I'm going to put it in here in order for you to understand. Want. Okay? We are going to start with want. I, you, we, they. So, those are the personal pronouns. Right? I, you, we, if I'm with a group of people, we, and I'm included. If I say they, right? I want to go to the concert. I want to go to the concert. If I'm gonna deny, to say no, I don't want to go to the comedy play. In this part, we are talking about present. And for the present, we are going to use don't in negative. On the other hand, in here, you have wants. This S don't means or doesn't mean that you are writing this in plural. No. This is a verb. An action. So the action doesn't have singular or plural. This is a rule. Okay? This is a rule. It says that you are gonna add S or ES if you have she or he. If you remember, she a girl, right? For a girl. And he for a boy. So remember, when you talk about she or he and is in affirmative, you are gonna add an S at the end of the verb. Want, if it was she or he, wants. Example, she wants to ride on the water slide. Jessie. If you remember, if I say she, I also can say Maria, Claudia, Susana, but only one. So in here I say Jessie. Jessie. For the negative, to deny, to say no in present, doesn't. Okay? Doesn't. And if you take a look, want. Not the S. No. Because the S is already in here. Jessie doesn't want to participate in the treasure hunt. You know the treasure hunt? Okay? So in here we have the verb need. It's going to happen the same. Okay? You are going to add S if it's in affirmative, or you are going to say doesn't if it's negative and you have she or he, or don't if you have I, you, we, they. So in here, need, I, you, we, they. We, me, and a group, we need to save money. Save money. Put it in my piggy bank, right? My piggy bank that is in here. We need to save money to go to a concert, to go to the comedy play, okay? In here, in negative, we don't need to go to the fest. We don't need to go to the fest, right? In here, needs, remember? She, he, you have to add S. In present, only in present, okay? He needs, now he's talking about a boy, right? He needs to get $25 for the fest, okay? In order to go to the fest, he has to get $25. In here, he, you can say Pedro, Juan, only one name. In this case, Rick. Rick doesn't, okay? Remember, take a look at here. Doesn't need to save a lot of money. You remember this expression? A lot of money. Doesn't need, okay? So now I'm going to explain to you. In present, simple present, affirmative, when you have she or he, you have to add S at the end of the verb. For example, she or he wants, she or he needs. This is a rule. If it's affirmative. If it's negative and you have are, you, we, they, don't. And the verb, no es, okay, and the verb. In here, you have the example. You don't need to go to the hospital. Don't because you are using you. You don't need to go to the hospital. On the other hand, we have doesn't. Doesn't, you are going to use it for she and he. She, he doesn't, and the verb, no es, because it has doesn't. Example, she doesn't want to have a dog. After explaining this, I'm going to explain to you the exercise. So, we have in here the first part that says grammar, complete the reading. And you have options. I've already took a picture of this and I'm going to send to you in order to write, okay? So the first part you have to complete with the options. In the options, you have want, needs, doesn't want, needs, and wants. And you have X3 like this. It means 3 times you are gonna put it in the reading. You are gonna write 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? This is a reading. The first part is a reading that you are gonna complete with the rules. Remember the rules? If you have she, he, and is in affirmative, you are gonna add S at the end of the verb. So I mean, she need? No. She needs. She don't? No. She doesn't. He wants. He doesn't want. And if it's I, they, we, or you don't. If it's negative, and if it's affirmative, want or need. In the second part, you have the reading comprehension. So, you are gonna reread. Read again the number 1, okay? And then, with this reading, you are gonna answer this, the number 2. So, it says, I'm gonna explain this. What is who and what is how much? When you have the question who, for example, the first one says, letter A says, who wants to go to a rock concert? So you are gonna read who wants to go to a rock concert and you are gonna answer. If you have who is for a person, Maria, Carlos, Juan, Santiago, Penny, I don't know. You have to read and write. If you have how much? 25, 26, 27, 30, 10, 15, how much? Quantity. In this opportunity, we are going to talk about money. Okay, that is going to be the first part of the reading comprehension. And the second part of the reading comprehension, you have to write T for true or F if it's false. Please remember, no, because I'm not going to consider this one, no. T for true and F for false, okay? Again, this number 2, you are gonna do it according to the exercise number 1, okay? In the third part, what you have to do is to find the mistakes. I mean, what is the error? Penny needs $25 to go to a concert. Penny, okay, need. 25 is okay. To go to a concert. Because it's singular concert. It's okay. Penny, it's alright with the capital letter. But what happening here? Need. If you remember that rule, if you have she or he and it's and is in the affirmative, you are gonna add S. Penny needs. So you are gonna find the mistake and then you are gonna write it in the right way. Penny needs $25 to go to a concert, and copy the rest because it's okay. Okay? And in here, the last part, the listening. Okay? If you take a look, listening. there is a dialogue between Sam and Penny. They are gonna talk and you are gonna write. In here you have, wow, there are cool events at the summer fest. I want to enjoy all that this year. Do you want to come? Yes, of course. I want to go to a comedy play and write on the longest. So all the spaces that you have in there, you are gonna complete it according to the listening. Okay? So you have to open your ears very, very, very big and complete. Okay? Try to do your best. Okay? You are gonna complete. Then after that, the part number 5 is the speaking evaluation. So in that part, you are gonna read the dialogue in number 4. Okay? So you can do it with the help of your father, mother, sister, brother, I don't know. Or you can do it on your own. You are gonna read what Sam says, what Penny says, all the dialogue in number 4, you are gonna record with your cell phone. You are gonna record the dialogue and then you are gonna send to me. And I'm gonna listen and put it your mark. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye-bye.